Muhammad bin Ahmed. I am going to do an experiment. The name of this experiment is blowing bell. First we need is 2 funnels, vinegar, empty bottle, baking soda, and a balloon. First add the baking soda into the balloon by using with the funnel. And pour vinegar into the empty bottle. And fix the balloon over the bottle opening. Then lift up the balloon and allow baking soda to fall into the vinegar. And now you can see the chemical reaction with a gas called carbon dioxide. The gases need a lot of space to spread out, and carbon dioxide will fill up the bottle and the gases moves into the vinegar. I hope everyone like it. Jazakumullahu khairan.